For reading and writing today, we are reading the books Roberto the Insect Architect by Nina Ladin. I think that's how you say her last name. And World of Insects, Termites by Martha E.H. Rustad. So you're going to click on one of the book titles to get to Bookflix. And remember, we have a new password and username. So if you don't know it and you're having trouble, go to the reading instructions slide, number 2, and it will show you what to type in. So you are going to watch the story and read the book and do the activities under Puzzlers and dive deeper. When you are done, go to your writing journal and write about something that you found interesting. So your sentence starter is I notice, and then finish your sentence with a period. You guys have gotten a lot better. Most of you have gotten a lot better about using those sentence starters and putting periods. Good job. And then write about a question that you had. So the sentence starter is I wonder. So type I wonder and then finish your question and put a question mark at the end. And then you're going to write about a connection you made. So use the sentence starter. This book reminds me of. So type this book reminds me of, and then put a period when you're done with your sentence. When you've read your writing and you've made sure it's your best, go ahead and press the X and the blue turn-in button, and then sign into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. And then please read to practice your skills. So you can read on Epic Books, you can read the books I sent you from Walmart, and you can also listen to the book that Miss Penfield is reading to you. I posted the 5 chapters of the book. It is called Narwhal's Friend. Let's see. We'll go here. Yep, it's called Narwhal's Otter Friend. So here you can see that we've got the first chapter, Narwhal's Otter Friend, and then we've got chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. That also counts as reading practice. Listening to reading is good for you. So when you are done with all of that, then you have practiced your reading for the day and you can feel really good about yourself as a learner. All right, keep up the good work, guys.